Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a very small Dollar Tree haul and a rainbow haul. So let's get started with Dollar Tree because it's just a few small items. They didn't have anything new, like all the shelves are being emptied. I didn't see anything. So I just picked up 2 of these Hans cream cheese. I do different recipes with cream cheese. It's not just for bagels. You can put them in eggs. You can make Alfredo sauce. You could do basically all kinds of different things. I put them in mashed potatoes, all kinds of stuff. So I just picked up 2 of the Hans cream cheese. Then I picked up 2 more of these light bulbs that I picked up last time in my hauls. These are really good. It's a 3-way light bulb. It could be a 50 watt, 100 watt, or 150 watt. This is extremely bright. I was really surprised. Really like it. It looks a little bit bigger than a normal light bulb, but it's just a regular light bulb. And I put it in my bedroom, my bedroom ceiling. Everything was so bright. I was like, wow. So I had to go back and get more. I just picked up 2 for right now. And then I picked up some more Reynolds wrap. I needed some more aluminum foil. Then I found these again. This is one of my favorite scents from Glade. This is the Bamboo Bliss. Oh my God, these smell amazing. They had a whole bunch of these. I just picked up 2 for right now because I have so many air fresheners as it is. And then the last thing I picked up was these satin pillowcases. They're black and has like some kind of pretty print on them. Like a floral print. Now these don't work forever. They're a little bit thin on the thin side. Sometimes they rip. So you got to be careful with these. But they're just some satin simple pillowcases. So I picked up just 2 of those. Then at Rainbows I picked up this really cute how you say it? It's like a little tank top. This is like a mint green. It's got the stripe on it. Hold on, guys. Let's see if I can open it somehow. It's always getting like wrinkled up and I can't be able to show it. It has like this cute little tie thing at the bottom, right where your belly button is, and it's sleeveless. It's just mint green, like a beautiful mint green with the with the white stripe. Really nice. So I picked that up. Then I seen it in black. This is a nice black one. It's all the same pattern, same design and everything. And it's got the little how you say it, like this little thing at the bottom. Really nice, and it's sleeveless. And it's flowy and nice. It's good for summer. Or to spring. Or even to sleep in. They're really nice. And then I picked up some more these long type of jeans. This is like a different, like a country blue. It's denim. So it's kind of thick. It's got the stretchy waist. It's got the little string right there. Cute pockets. Pockets down the leg. And then right here is like a cuff. Whoops, I'm sorry. This is the bottom of the pants. No, this is the top. Whew. Okay, you see the bottom of the legs? I have this nice cute cuff right here. So I got those because I don't like long pants hanging and dragging and, getting ruined on the ground and things like that. I can't stand that. And then the last thing I picked up at the Rainbow is a pair of black ones. It's got the same thing. This, how you say it? It's got the the stretchy waist, the string. It's got the nice pockets down the leg. And then they cuff at the bottom like that. And it's very thick and strong material. So these are pretty good. So I got those because I needed some regular black ones. And that's basically it, guys. That's all I picked up at Rainbow and Dollar Tree. Stay tuned for more videos again. I will be doing more soon as always. I have some more new stuff coming up. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.